Right, we're here at the school at the crack of dawn. I've got my new pens, we're ready to go. So let's get going in. First, you're going to want to plan your work. For this, I took all the letters from a children's book. I painted them all with chalkboard paint, and then I used a white crayon to sketch everything out. This is how you open a Posca pen. Just twist it. That's all you have to do. Just twist it. So after all the prep and hard work, this is kind of like the fun bit and the easier bit. If you've done a good job with the sketching, it's basically colouring from here on out. The only difficult thing about this piece was the sheer amount of letters I had to do. So I've basically copied in the whole book and then added a couple of illustrations as well, just to mix things up and make it stand out a little bit. So I don't know if you can see that. That's the old pen, and that's what the new ones look like. If you like this video, you'll definitely like this video, which is about Posca pens on another board.